What's that in your mouth? What? Eva. Eva. You literally just ate all the frosting that was on that Oreo. All the frosting that was in your mouth. You don't care about the cookie, do you? You just want the frosting. Or the filling, or whatever it's called. Eva. Hey there, Eva. You like that Oreo? Look at your face. So dirty. Look at your face. Who likes cat that Minecraft? Who likes Minecraft? Eva. Look, you left an Oreo right there. At least try to eat it. I'm gonna leave it right here. Oh, you actually... No, you're not getting that one. That one has a hair on it. Ugh. Does this one have a hair on it? No, it doesn't. It's clean. Oh, no, no, no. Can't get it, Eva. No! Wow, you're dropping Oreos everywhere. You can't eat these Oreos now. Ah, I'm gonna have to clean. Yuck, Eva. I have your saliva mixed with chocolate all over my hands. Oh my god, you look at your dress. If Eva was a Titan. If Eva was a Titan. It's a 10-meter. No. Yeah, it's a 10-meter class Titan. And she has a eating habit of Oreos. That's not terrifying at all. Why can't we have Titans like this? Seriously. Why do Titans have to eat people? It makes no sense. Look how giant she is. She's a giant Titan. Oh my god, she's giant. She's a giant female Titan. Eva. Eva. Oh no.